10 or 6 p.m. imagine I call the mahamri. So here we are at French book. This is the last photo. Now, the good thing in this house, someone just wakes up, they pray for food, and yeah, it's okay, it's immediate. So it doesn't matter as long as the ingredients are there. Whatever time you are craving for, whatever meal you are craving for, it's there for you. See? So there we go. Now these are the last portions. And just like that, we are done. So these are the portions. We have this difference here, and we have this. So hapa we are trying to dry them so that the oil, you see, baki kwa nini container hivi. See, yup. There we go. Maybe no sharing oil tafadhali. So we can transfer them. So we want to transfer easy. Yeah. And the ring lights, they are fantastic. Okay. The other light, the other type. The other one? Another one. Please, the other. Hey, yo. So, without filters. So, tumepika that 10:30 say. So I hope people are going to enjoy the mahamri. Yeah, this is how it should. This is how the little mahamri should feel like this effect. Yeah, this. So easy. Can start dry. Now I can move them this side a little bit so that tuweke hizo zingine dry. Yeah. Now what we do is that we hot. We are hot banana. Yeah. See the way they are? They're very hot. No. A good mahamri should have this effect. They're well done and done, but anyway. Hata sikuwa nimejipanga kupika mahamri, but nashukuru imetokea si vibaya sana. So kwa hii tumedecide tutafanya. Kwa hivyo nikitoa, hebu nataka kula ngapi?